Hi guys, welcome back to Oregano, and today we're gonna show you one of the best pizzas and simple pizzas in the world. This should be the first pizza they ever invented. It was basically invented for the sailors, simply because all the ingredients that it takes to make this pizza were very simple to carry with them. It's very simple, but very tasteful. You only have to put the pomodoro salsa, a little bit more, otherwise it will get too dry and it will lose her taste. Okay. Now we only have to put a little bit of garlic, the fresh garlic, and we only have to put a little bit, because otherwise then it will get too strong and it will ruin the taste of the whole pizza. Now we put it into the oven. Okay, it looks like now, in the end you have to put a little bit of oregano, and this is your marinara. For everyone who likes this video and would like to see more of our pizzas coming up, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you very much and see you next time.